Okay, with the help of my puppies, we're going to do a body filler inspection. Here on the front of the bus, I found a little filler right in here. This is a little magnet, refrigerator magnet, and you can see it's not wanting to stick very good. I mean, it still sticks. There's a thin layer of Bondo, but right here there's a little bump. But up here, everywhere else that would be suspected of taking a hit, it sticks. There's a little bit of body filler in here where they covered up the holes. Check this. Yep. Yeah, we're good. Again, the seam along here is nice and straight, so I'm thinking this was just a little, I don't know what was, but you can see there's a little filler in there up to there, but it's not bad. Now this bus came with a water filler deal, and the previous owner had taken that out, so I know that's body filler in that circle right there, so you can see that, but that's it. Okay, then we come to this area, and the let's look at the lip down here. You can see what the heck that looks like. There's a little filler right there, but again, it's a thin layer. It looks to me like this area here got a little mushed. Just this section right there. Just a little crinkle, but no major impact. Oh. Yeah, nothing else, and this fender lip here looks real nice. All the rockers, you know, I can't find any other body filler, any other signs of body filler anywhere on the bus. So from that little inspection, I'm going to say this is a virgin nose and a virgin tail. And you can see right here, of course, the weather strip should be replaced. You do have just a little bit of discoloration right there, which you take care of when you replace the windshield seal. So that's no biggie. Do a little closer inspection here on the Outriggers. The frame there. Your weep holes are all cleaned out. That's a sign that this thing hasn't been stuck in the mud sitting for years. It's been on dry. Now that blue cable there, that looks like some additional wiring, and I don't know what the hell. I know the guy had a dual battery setup on this, and I took out all the wires for that. It's just got a single battery set up now like it should. There's that jacking point and outrigger there. You know, at every bus I've ever had, these things are generally just screwed up pretty bad. They're either rusted out or bent to hell. You know, they put the jack in there and then the bus falls down. But this one doesn't have that type of abuse to it, which is really rare. Oh yeah, you can also see this body seam here. See, it disappears. So they just smooched body filler right in there, so that will have to be addressed, but that looks like a pretty minor issue considering the overall condition. And little Beastie Boys. I hope everybody's a fan. Boom. Here's the driver's side. This, you know, on every other bus I've ever seen, all that is rusted out. But you can see the where the this one was undercoated from the dealer. See, look at that. Isn't that nice? That is just beautiful. That is what our dreams are made of. Rust-free, baby. Under full disclosure laws of the state of New Mexico. Everything works, the lights, all that. I don't know why they did that. I'm not sure, but the headlights work fine. This ignition switch, previous owner took the ignition switch out to have a key made, because the bus does not have exterior door keys. You can get those at your friendly Volkswagen shop with a key code. So he has wired in this different switch, and then you can see some of the wiring here that he tapped into. So, you know, you're going to have to fix that. And then if you want to, but I mean, it does fine now, you know. So she's all good. And it's missing, what the hell? Oh yeah, the emergency light button, but I have that inside. There's your that's got outlets everywhere. You plug it into the house current, just get your extension cord, plug it in right over here, right into this receptacle, thusly. And then you have electricity inside the bus. It lights up a couple of lights, which you can see back there. I don't know if you can see them or not, but you know, it needs a couple little things, maybe some light bulbs, maybe that replaced. That's probably $6.95 on eBay for that little light. I don't even know if it works. God damn it. Works like a boss. Let's see if it works on the door. I didn't even test that. Well, no, look, I broke it. No, I didn't. Now, it looks like these little guys broke off, so you're going to have to, you know, fix that somehow, but they're all there in the ashtray. See if that door fits like a glove. Okay, over here on the passenger side, right here where it looks like that's a filler, that's actually a cluster, a big chunk of the undercoating, a globular of undercoating, if you will. So that just scrapes right off thusly. So any of that you don't like, just scrape it off, and you got some good looking metal and rubber, little rubber plugs. I mean, shit, it's just a wonderful, beautiful bus. I never see buses this nice. Now, I don't know, is that a little turned out? Should that be in more, or maybe not? So again, these outriggers, the jacking points, you know, this bus is for sale on eBay. I just want you to know what the hell you're gonna get. And I got the full disclosure policy, and god damn it, look what I found right there. There is a little hole right there. Look at that. Okay, I didn't plan for this to happen. I could have totally not done that and fooled everybody, but my little magnet is sticking there. I guess that's just, you know, you look on the inside of the little thing there and shit, I don't know. God damn it, look at that jacking point, that outrigger. Oh, this little guy here is the protective rock shield, if you will, for your propane tank, which is right there. So you'll have to replace that with like-minded material. And I've never tried the gas hookup here. Well, I'm sure it has to be updated with a modern regulator. So the tie rods, the you know, I mean, hell, the disc brakes are smooth and clean. They're not worn. All that stuff's been done. It's got the belly pan up there, if you can see it. Everything's clean as a whistle. The only thing I notice is that it does weep a little bit of oil onto the exhaust pipe and I believe that's coming from the valve cover, but you're gonna have to mess with that. Oh boy, look at that. That's suspect right there. That looks rusty. Let's try it. Nope, more undercoating. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, I thought that was all rusted out too. God damn it. Here's you some fresh frame. And the bus is puppy approved. There you have it. I hope that answered some questions. It's gonna need this mirror replaced. I don't know if I have one or not. I'll look. I don't know if I got any shot of the headliner or not, but this headliner up there could stand some freshening up. Yeah, I had questions on the these beds too. This one here comes out this way. You can see the rails that it glides on. So it looks like to be a pretty big bed once it's fully extended. I've never had it out. I've never camped in the bus. Now this one here, you can see the little pull handles there. It disconnects right there. And there, you see the piano hinge. This folds forward and rests on here. So that makes the lower bed. But the carpet is some nice commercial grade. Looks like it came out of an office building maybe. It's carpet tiles, so I know those are insulated. There's the heater, and I've never used that, so that you'd have to go through and make sure it was all copacetic. This mirror needs a latch on it right here. And then there's storage underneath there too. If you can see in there. But that's all storage up into there. Okay, that was a pretty close inspection, I would say. And we know it runs good. I have videos of the engine running, a couple of videos of me driving, which I'd have to find those. But you kind of get the point. Overall, it's a nice bus. I would give the body filler exam and the condition of the body, I would say, considering what this bus is, I'd give it a 9 out of 10 points for having a clean body. And deduct a point right there. But I mean, come on. You pay your body guy $500 and he'll make that look like a doll. I don't know, it'll probably be more than that. So, you know, if you want a nice clean bus, unusual one with a high roof, the engine's powerful, it moves through the wind real good. It's designed to, you know, it's a nice design. It's got the flip thing up there, the vent. I have not used the stove. I would assume it would work, but I would advise to redo the piping on it. And then you have the Norcold, and this little sucker here fires up real good. And you can kind of look back in there and see the controller. So it does work. It has all the little things still. All that stuff should be missing. These hinges are all original. They've never been off. I already did a video of those. So the doors haven't been off for collision damage, repair, or anything close to that. Of course, the front door panels need to be replaced. These things are kind of cool. That's a camper special. I like those better than just a standard bus. And all the lights light up. Your clock thing here, you can put a tachometer in that. It's got 51 miles, which is like 151,000. Come on now, let's be honest. It's not 51,000 original miles, but it would be great if it was. I mean, I guess you could probably argue the point that might be original. Hell if I know. Maybe I better check that title. So there you have it. Thanks for tuning in. Good luck on the auction.